Welcome back. You're watching my channel. So today I'm back again with my first luxury unboxing. No, luxury handbag unboxing. First purchase from Louis Vuitton. Most of you may be wondering, what? First? Yeah. This is my first purchase at Louis Vuitton. So most of you have been thinking of, oh my God, how come she's never shopped at Louis Vuitton? Or maybe most of you think I've never shopped luxury. That's not true. I shop lots of luxury products, but I've never thought about Louis Vuitton, but thinking of luggage, like traveling, I see lots of people carrying Louis Vuitton, and a friend of mine has like this beautiful handbag. I don't know, the one with the white one with some kind of print. I don't know how it's called. And I don't want to look like an amateur here, but I got my first Louis Vuitton handbag. Yeah, that's what I'm here to show you. I've been eyeing the Neverfull for some time because a friend of mine once gave it to me to go travel, and it was really comfortable. I really loved it. It could take so many things, and I was like, I'll buy one of those handbags. So but I was like, I'll buy it when I go to Dubai, then I'll get it like tax-free or something when I went on holiday. So I didn't like go in 2020 because that's when I was going to buy that handbag. But that handbag retailed for I think 1,150 euros or something like that here in the Netherlands. So I was like, when I buy that, it will be cheaper. But I didn't go, so because of this whole COVID, they cancelled our trips and everything. So when I went into Louis Vuitton to buy a keychain, if you haven't seen that video, me unboxing the keychain, Louis Vuitton first purchase from Louis Vuitton, that's a keychain holder. Click over here, you'll find that video there. But most of you know that I really love handbags, but I don't actually show so much of my luxury items that I purchased or things like that. I don't show my closet stuff, but now I'm like, okay, maybe it's something I should show on my channel, because when I buy stuff, I'm like kind of skeptic. I'm like, I don't want to be judged because of the things I buy or something like that, because I also give you tips on spending and saving. But I'm not saying spend all your money on buying luxury. No, this is an essential item for me because I felt like I needed this bag because I travel, and when I travel, I need something to put my stuff, and I also go, to hospital visits to just, and also I'm thinking of going back to school to do some courses, so I want a handbag that will fit my laptop or fit stuff like that. So it's actually an essential item. It's not just like a bag that I'm going to, put in the closet just to sit over there. So this is like my purchase. So it comes in this bag. It was actually, this bag was when I got this bag from the store, it was all wrapped up well, but because I couldn't wait, and I did the unboxing video, but the lighting wasn't good. It was so bad and so light, so you couldn't see anything. So I didn't so I had to redo this video. That's why the box is not board, but it was board before. So this is the bag. So you get it in a dust bag, and then it's in the dust bag, and then you look at it. It's like So let's see. So the Neverfull comes in the cowhide leather. Actually, this is cowhide leather, but it's embossed with the Louis Vuitton logos. This is like, I think, the medium size, I think, logo, or large. I'm not so sure. It's in between. It's not so small here, and then under it, it's embossed with the small prints. When you look at it, it's embossed with the small prints of the Louis Vuitton logo, and it's in a color called turtle dove gray. However, this handbag on the Louis Vuitton website, it says that it's Dune. It's called, given a color called Dune, and it comes with a pouch. Also, the straps are made from the cowhide leather. It comes with a pouch, which I've already inserted here. So the zippers also have the word Louis Vuitton, not the initials, but the whole Louis Vuitton spelled out. And it has the, let's see, It has the large pocket here. Also, it has also 2 snap closures here that you can snap it close. And the other thing is that this handbag measures 31 centimeters wide. I think also 28 width. I think width is 28. The width I think is 14, the length and height is 28, and one is 31. So I don't know, but I haven't measured it. So, but those are the measurements on the website. Now it's called the Neverfull. As you know, it has two straps holding on, also made from cowhide. It has 2 laces, also with golden hardware, and it has a microfiber lining, and the microfiber lining is also in the inner pocket and also outside. So when I got this bag, I was first time I saw this bag in the other in canvas leather, which I actually wanted to buy. I was like, I want to buy it in canvas leather. So when I went to the Louis Vuitton shop, they were like, we sold out with that canvas leather, and then they showed me the limited edition in the canvas leather, which I didn't like because I was wearing a printed dress. So I looked like a woman in the market, so I wasn't sold I wasn't sold. So I was like, I'm not so sure if that's what I want to get. So she brought another one, the other one with the other kind of leather, and then I tried it on, and I didn't like it. It looked like a bucket to me. It was kind of bulky. The leather was kind of staying like this. It looked so funny on me. So I was like, no, I don't want this. And then she said, oh, give me one moment. So she went back to the to the bag, and then came back with this one. And then when I saw the color, I was like, and I looked inside. The micro leather felt like actually sweat to me, but it wasn't sweat. So now I'm like, it's microfiber, but it felt like sweat to me by then in the shop. So it looked so sophisticated. And then I asked her what's the price, and she's like, yeah, it's 1,650, which is like 600 euros or 500 euros more expensive than the canvas one. But because this is made of real leather, and the other one was made of canvas and cloth, so it's like, okay, you're paying for the leather, 500 euros extra for the leather. So, and I love the color. It's not about the monogram print. It's to me the color that spoke to me, because it's nude, it's a neutral. And although many people are like skeptical about color transfer and that kind of thing, yeah, I don't know how to do that, but it's cowhide leather, so I think it can take some, some color, or can take anything, because this Neverfulls, when you buy a Neverfull, it's not a baby bag. It's not a bag that you're going to put there and look at, or it's not a bag that you're always going to be like, oh, my handbag this, my handbag that. It's a handbag that you're going to, put through thick and thin. If it's raining, it's what. But this is treated leather, so the straps won't be changing color like the canvas one, and it's actually something that you like. You would like, how do you call it, something that you like, oh, okay, it's an essential to me. I'm going to be carrying this bag almost every day, so that's why it's already, it's already here, and I'm not putting it back in the box. So now it's going to do its work, so the money is going to be paying itself off. So yeah, most of you wonder how I purchased this bag or how I could afford this bag. Yeah, I used some of the money I had to go on holiday for, and I purchased this bag because I received my voucher back, but I paid a holiday which I didn't go to. So I just topped up some money and could afford this handbag. However, I am very happy with this handbag because I think I'll be using it more often, because I have so many appointments planned where I can be carrying this handbag, because I need to carry my laptop, I need to carry my headsets, I need to carry all those things. So, and maybe, yeah, but of course I'm a very small girl. I don't want to because they also say it's heavy, but actually when I tried the canvas one, and I also tried this one, the canvas limited edition, and also tried this one, I didn't feel the difference between the heaviness. Actually, it felt, but I think it's 100 grams more heavier, because it has like it's made of leather. Of course, leather is more, more heavier than canvas. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We have to see. We'll have to find out. But I love it. So, and you can also pull the straps in. And for most of you, I don't know if they stay, because I pulled the straps before, but all of a sudden I see that they go back, because they don't actually stay in place. So I'm wondering if these laces can hold this. I think so. So I feel, yeah, this and this. That was my first purchase at Louis Vuitton. I enjoyed the experience. I didn't have to stand in the line this time. I had saved the contact details of sales associates that helped me when I bought my first purchase, and that was the key holder that took me back to buy this. So I saved her number, and then I sent her a message when I was ready to buy this bag, and then she made an appointment, so I didn't have to stand in the line, you know, and wait, you know. So when I was there, I just told me to go inside, and then we just looked at the handbag again for the second time, and then I paid for the handbag and then left Louis Vuitton. And that was my first Louis Vuitton purchase and first, not the first experience, but first Louis Vuitton, buying a handbag at Louis Vuitton, which I've never done. I don't know if I'll be buying another one, but I've been eyeing a few of them. But yeah, I don't have money, so I should keep myself limited. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have the information you need to actually buy your next handbag. If you're doing research to buy a handbag, I think this is a very good option. This handbag comes in cream, black, and this turtle dove gray, which is also called Dune. But I also felt like the gray cream was also a very good option, but I only had money to buy one, so I could only buy one. So maybe in the future I'll get myself a cream handbag, but I already have many cream handbags, but I love cream, so, or ivory, yeah, that kind of thing. So for most of you who are new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. And like this video, comment, subscribe, it helps me with the algorithm, and see you soon. Bye bye.